Hey friend, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything the doctor tells you, taking the pills, following the treatments, but deep down you wonder, why am I not actually getting better? You're not alone. I've been there too, and so have millions of others. Now, before you roll your eyes, I get it. For most of us, the medical system is what we grew up with. It's the gold standard: doctors, hospitals, prescriptions. And yes, those things absolutely have their place. If you break a bone, you need that ER. If you need surgery, thank goodness for modern medicine. But here's the thing, allopathic medicine is mostly designed for emergency care and symptom control, not for helping your body actually heal itself. And that's where natural healing comes in. I'm not talking about magic cures or weird internet fads. I'm talking about proven, science-backed ways your body can repair, balance, and restore itself, if you give it the right tools. Think about it this way: if you had a plant in your house that was drooping, you wouldn't just spray the leaves with chemicals and hope it perks up. You'd look at the soil, the water, the sunlight. Our bodies are the same. Medicine is great at cutting out the bad parts or quieting down the symptoms, but natural healing looks at the root cause. Why did the problem start in the first place, and how can we help the body correct it? For example, did you know your body produces chemicals more powerful than most painkillers, and you can activate them naturally through certain therapies, light, or even just specific foods? Or that stress alone can switch your genes on and off, influencing disease, and calming the nervous system can literally change how your body heals. These aren't theories, this is science we just don't hear about enough. Now, I'm not saying throw away your prescriptions or ignore your doctor. What I am saying is, there's a whole other side of health, natural, safe, often overlooked, that could work with your body instead of just managing symptoms. And the crazy part, most of us have never even been told it exists. So, if you've ever felt like something's missing in your health journey, maybe it's not you. Maybe it's the system. Maybe it's time to explore options that work with your body instead of only against your symptoms. And I promise, the more you learn, the more it just makes sense. Stick around, because in the next videos we'll dive deeper into real, natural healing approaches that are grounded in science, not superstition. My only goal here is to share knowledge so you can make informed choices about your own health. Who knows, you might just discover options you never thought were possible. If that sounds like something you're curious about, hit subscribe and let's explore this together. Because health isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving.